this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you've probably come over from Corinna's channel, Life's Little Things. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll like what you see and hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new, if you've either surfed in or you're one of my regular subscribers, today I'm doing a Crockpot collaboration with Corinna from Life's Little Things, and I will leave a link below to her channel, so please be sure and go check it out. She has a fantastic YouTube channel. She does a little bit of everything and she does it all really well. She puts me to shame. She is crafty and I'm not. She cooks, she cleans, she does great vlogs with her husband Jay and their sons Justin and Timothy sometimes. Sometimes it's just Corinna. She does hauls and pretty much anything you can think of, and she does it fantastic. So go on over and show her some love. I'll put the link above and also down below. In the meantime, we're doing a Crockpot collaboration today. Mine is called Slow Cooker or Crockpot Thai Chicken. It is not authentic. If you've come here looking for an authentic Thai dish, this is not it, but it is very easy. It's very quick. It uses ingredients that you probably already have on hand and can make for a simple, easy weeknight meal with noodles, rice, or whatever, vegetables, whatever you like. So let me show you how I make Crockpot Thai Chicken, and be sure and go visit Corinna and tell her I sent you. Thanks for stopping by. Have a blessed day. Bye, y'all. Hey, this is Stacy. Welcome back to Let's Cook, y'all. Today I wanted to show you an easy crockpot dish that we call slow cooker or crockpot Thai chicken. It uses ingredients you probably have on hand, which I'm going to show you here. And as always, the recipe link is below with the amounts and the directions. Today, instead of using boneless, skinless breasts, I am going to substitute and use thighs because that's what I had on hand. Obviously, you'll need some form of a slow cooker. You'll need some pantry ingredients, including salsa, creamy or crunchy peanut butter, some lime juice, fresh or bottled, some soy sauce, some ginger and garlic, fresh or bottled. The garlic and the cayenne pepper are my addition. You can leave them out, but I like a dash of cayenne and a little garlic in this dish. Also at the end, the original recipe calls for you to garnish with peanuts and cilantro. I do not like cilantro, so I'll leave it out. And I am going to use crunchy peanut butter today and leave the peanuts off. But let me show you how I make Thai chicken. The first thing I do, I didn't show it here, is spray my crock pot and add the chicken, and then we're going to mix up the sauce. The ingredients, as I mentioned, are listed below, but there's salsa, some fresh or bottled lime juice, some soy sauce, and for my purposes, I use a mixture of soy sauce and Bragg's liquid aminos. The peanut butter, and I am using crunchy today, it's what I had on hand. Some ginger, fresh or bottled. Mix that all up. And these ingredients weren't in the original recipe, but I like to add some minced garlic and also a dash of cayenne pepper. So we're going to mix this up and pour it over the chicken that is already in our crock pot ready to go. We're going to put the lid on it and cook it for about 3 to 4 hours on low. This is all it usually takes in my little West bin for boneless, skinless thighs or breasts, but however long it takes in your crock pot to cook. Once the chicken has cooked, we're going to take it out and shred it, or in this case, mine was falling apart, so I just broke it up in the pan. You just want some shredded meat with the sauce. We can serve this over any kind of a rice noodle, a spaghetti noodle, anything you like, rice, and serve it with some vegetables, any kind of Asian thing you like on the side. Today I served mine with crab rangoons. So that is Crockpot or slow cooker Thai chicken. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today, and be sure and go visit Corinna at Life's Little Things, and I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.